guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. So today I want to answer a question that was asked by most of you on my Instagram and on my email. This video I posted on how you can lose weight using Clean9. From that program, you're supposed to lose weight within 9 days. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put it up here or in the description down below so you can go watch the video. I didn't post the results because I actually posted the video just for day one after using the Clean9 program for just day one, but I didn't post from day 2 to day 9, and that was because I traveled and I didn't have time to record, and also I actually lost a friend of mine, so I didn't have time to record and share with you the result. But since most of you asked me on my Instagram and my email to share with you the results and how I felt using the Clean9 program, and I know some people have used the program and they haven't lost the weight, and that is because they were not disciplined. Because guys, when you use that program, I actually bought that product in February. I actually bought it in February, but I started using it in April, and that is because I knew from February to April 1st I was going to be busy and I was going to eat and I was going to attend functions, so I was going to eat a lot, and that's why I waited until April when I was ready. Guys, from that program I actually lost 4 kgs. I actually started the program at 66.8 kgs, and at the end of the program I was at 63 kgs, and that is because I was also disciplined. Guys, most of you asked me how much kgs I lost, and I lost like 4 kgs, and that is also because of my BMI. So if your BMI is high, you might lose more kgs, like 6, 7, 8, depending with your BMI and how disciplined you are when using that program. One thing I didn't like is that some of my clothes didn't fit, and I was kind of disappointed, but at the same time I felt so good because at least I could see that it really worked and I lost some kgs. And my sister was always laughing at me and telling me how skinny I am. I was surprised no one asked me and no one noticed that I had actually reduced, because just recently one of my subscribers asked me why I cut so much kgs, because I think she watched my previous video for 2017, and then she watched for 2019, and she actually noticed the difference. And I was actually surprised, guys. No one asked me, no one noticed I actually had cut some weight. But my sister also noticed. My baby sister was ever laughing and telling me I lost so much kgs because some of my clothes were not fitting, they were like loose. Yeah, so guys, if you really want to lose kgs, I will advise you to use that program. Guys, this video is not sponsored, but I'll just be honest and tell you from my own opinion, that program really worked for me. The C9 program worked for me, and I can say if you discipline and use the program, you will lose more kgs and you'll be so happy with yourself. If you can check my videos for 2017 and for 2019, and you will notice I actually reduced, but right now I'm at 63, 64, 63, 64. And I'll tell you from using that program, guys, I really just, after the 9 days, I was not just eating too much. The first 2 days, you're just supposed to take water and use this product. You're not supposed to eat the first 2 days, and those were the tricky days. If you start the program, like, those are the days that will determine whether you're going to be disciplined during the program or you're just going to eat. So for 2 days, guys, I wasn't eating. I was just like using the product, and I was so disciplined, guys. If I tell you I was disciplined, I really mean it. I didn't taste any food, and especially if you have some people in the house who are eating and you don't eat, guys, I'm telling you guys, I wasn't eating at all. Like, that's how disciplined I was, and that's why I lost some kgs. I actually traveled after 3 days after using the program, and I traveled with my products, yes, but I was just disciplined. I wasn't just like eating. But now from day 3, you're supposed to introduce some meals, but now with low calories. And Forever Garcinia, there are these 2 here, and it helps suppress appetite by increasing serotonin level, and may help the body burn fat more effectively and help suppress appetite by increasing serotonin level. So guys, if you really want to lose weight, I will put a link down in the description box down below, so you can go order the product from whichever country you are, especially from US. If you're from US, I'll put the link down below where you can order the product. And if you're from East Africa, I will put in my email in the description box down below as well, so you can email me. Or if you're from other countries, I'll put a link in the description box down below, so you can email me if you really want the Clean9 program. There's sold different prices from depending on the country you're coming from. Like in US it's just $100, in Kenya is $130, like that is 13,000. Like the program is different depending with the country. I think because of the tax and all that. But after I finished the program, guys, I will tell you I lost my appetite, and I don't know if I was just disciplined, because I think it controls your appetite also. So after I used the program, after, let me say, the following day, you just be disciplined. You won't want to eat so much, or the following week you just won't want to eat so much. Program that package, it actually comes with a book that guides you on what you're supposed to eat during the program, what you're supposed to eat, how you're supposed to use it. So yes, guys, I'll say from that program I really learned a lot. And then especially when it comes to discipline. And then the good thing with that, you're not even supposed to exercise too much. Yes, you're supposed to exercise, but not that intensive exercise. That's one thing I really loved about the program. And then the thing is, also, you're not supposed to exercise too much when you're using the program, and that is because you're not even eating too much. So you're not eating too much, so you're not supposed to really work out too much. But at the same time, you're supposed to work out, but for like 20 to 30 minutes. Till now, I think, guys, I don't like eat so much. If I want to eat too much, unless I take something that will just increase my appetite and make me eat too much. But nowadays, I really don't eat too much. I eat, but not too much. I think I learned from that program just to discipline myself on what to eat, on how to eat, and on just the amount of meal I should take. Yes, and as much as I will eat carbohydrate, I will eat junk food, I will just eat it like, you know. With this book, it guides you, it tells you on what to eat, on the amount of calories you're supposed to take. I also noticed that my bar reduced. Yes, guys, I think one of my subscribers noticed that because of the video I made in 2017. Yeah, and that's why he asked me. I think it's a guy. I don't know if it's a guy or a lady. I'll just confirm. And yes, guys, I lost my weight because of using that. And so I'll just ask you guys, if you really want to lose weight, you can as well use the program. And if you have more questions, you can ask in the comments down below, or follow me on Instagram and ask me more questions. And also you can email me using, I'll put my email address down in the description box down below. So guys, you can email me and ask me more questions. But I'll tell you, from that Clean9 program, guys, I will say it will work for you. It also depends with your discipline, because I know some people who have used it and they haven't lost weight, and it's because they were not disciplined. So if you're disciplined and use the program, trust me, you will lose some kgs. But so nowadays, what I don't miss in my house is this Forever Ultra, just to substitute my meals whenever I feel like I don't want to have heavy meals, and this aloe gel. Yeah, because like this aloe gel, I always just take it in the morning or whenever I feel like taking it. Yeah, but okay, I don't take it too much, but I just always like, I never miss it in my house. I always have this Forever aloe gel, and it doesn't, but guys, it doesn't smell so good and it doesn't taste so good. So if you use this, you just have to do this and phew, take it. Yeah, I love eating and taking this Forever Ultra, and it tastes like milkshake. It actually tastes like milkshake, and then I think that's why also I loved it. And you can as well Google about it, and if you just want to confirm, you can as well Google about it. And also you can consult your doctor before using any of these products. Because I always tell you, before you're using any method or any product, consult your doctor before using any of these. It's not like medicine, it's just nutrients that help you get in shape and slimmer and healthier. I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side. can as well Google about it. If you just want to have other people's opinion, you can as well Google about it and just get more information about it before using it. Made for the cleaner for day 1. I'll put the link down in the description box down below, so you can just go watch it. Guys, if you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.